Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovis. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the world's healthiest and the tastiest tea ever. We all like to begin our day with a cup of tea, right? But somewhere it becomes an addiction for us. I've had a lot of patients consuming around 5, 10, 15 to over 20 cups of tea on a regular basis, and somewhere it is affecting their health. So here is a perfect alternative for all those people who want to overcome from this addiction, because this tea is super energetic, it is super refreshing, it has a lot of benefits. It has just 3 ingredients which are already available at your home. It takes 5 minutes to prepare, but the most important is that it is very tasty, wherein you forget your normal tea and you switch over to this one, which is very healthy. Also, for all the healthy individuals, you can also begin your day with a cup of this tea. You can use this as a welcome tea for your guests in your company, in your business, in your stores, or even in your shops. I request all of you all to make this tea right after this video gets over and give me your feedback in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's start today's video. We will be back. The first ingredient is jeera. Jeera is known as jeere in Marathi. In Hindi it is known as safed jeera or jeera. In English it is known as cumin seeds. This word jeera is derived from a Sanskrit word jirna, and jirna, as you all know, it means digestion. So for all the patients, for all the people who are facing various digestive problems, like there is nausea, vomiting, loose motion, constipation, heartburn, or irritable bowel syndrome, for all the digestive problems, jeera is extremely beneficial. It contains high amounts of melatonin, which helps in regulating your sleep cycle. Who have insomnia since years and years, have disturbed sleep pattern, unable to sleep, or have a lot of thoughts when you go to bed, this is extremely beneficial. It is a rich source of iron. It contains high amounts of niacin, riboflavin, vitamin B6. All of these essential nutrients help in improving the cognitive function of your brain. It improves your concentration. It contains vitamin E, which improves your skin tone and texture. It is also helpful in weight loss. If it is followed along with other videos, you will get tremendous results. Very useful for weight loss as well. From an Ayurveda point of view, if we have to talk, then I would say it is ruchya. It improves your taste. It is deepan. It increases your digestive strength. It is balya. It provides strength to your body. It is chakshusha. It improves your eyesight. It is garbhashaya vishuddhikrut. Garbhashaya, which means our uterus, a woman's uterus, and vishuddhikrut means it cleanses and detoxifies the uterus of a woman. It is highly recommended post pregnancy. So all of these are the benefits of jeera, and yes, it does not have any side effects. Our second ingredient is lemon. We all know about lemon, but the real qualities and the mode of action and the benefits of lemon, I'll be talking about it in some other video for sure. The third ingredient is jaggery. Again, I'll be talking about this in some separate video to tell you all the actual qualities, the mode of action, and the benefits of all these ingredients. Otherwise this video will be too long. So to prepare around 1 cup of this tea, you need 2 glasses of water. So I have a kadai over here. I've added 2 glasses of water. So 2 glasses of water in a kadai. Step 1 is to boil this water for 5 minutes. Once you boil it for 5 minutes, you will add around 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. So 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and I will add a little bit of jaggery into it. Boil it for another 5 minutes. Make sure you switch off the gas. Strain the liquid in a cup. Squeeze around half lemon into it. Squeeze around half lemon properly, and your tea is ready. So 2 glasses of water in a kadai. Boil for 5 minutes, add half teaspoon of jeera, then add jaggery. Boil for another 5 minutes, strain this in a cup, squeeze half lemon, your tea is ready. Use this tea to serve your guests in your company, business, in your stores, or even in your shops. I'm sure your customers will love the taste of this tea and they'll ask you its recipe, and that's how you have a bond, you have some relation, you have some bonding with your customer. Make this tea right now and only then comment your feedback in the comment section. That was all for today's video. If this video benefits you, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video further and subscribe to Jovi's Ayurveda for more such interesting videos where we are going to discuss about various health ailments and I'm going to give you all the solutions for them. Also about various Ayurvedic herbs wherein you don't just get the information but you utilize it in your day-to-day life and you're free from problems. We've got a lot of positive results on our Khadir video, on our Guduchi video. People have started using it for their psoriasis, for their fungal infection, for their kids they've started Guduchi, and it has definitely given them positive results. So I'm very thankful to all those following these videos. Thank you so much for your love and support and for your faith in Jovi's Ayurveda. Until next time, from Jovi's, thank you so much for watching.